The last time we are done with the kente cloth. Yeah. Now, this time we're going one better by giving you a stool. You see, as you may know, the stool is used as an object for resting your body on, as a chair. That's done, and this is traditionally carved with local ornament, local materials, and local knives, and from solid wood. And it's made of a special we call sese, which does not need any preservation hereafter. For until years to come, it will still be what it is today. And simultaneously, the stool is also a symbol of authority and power of the king. And he's referred to as the king who sits on the golden stool. All the power and the authority derived from golden stool. This is not the golden stool anyway. It's a wooden stool. So, in leaving this with you as a memento for our visit, and with the king's crest embossed on it, it will serve as the first visit of the king, and we hope that it will be the first in a series of geometric progression of visits which will follow hereafter, and which visits will inure to the benefit of Africa and the Caribbean and the African-Caribbean relationship. On this note, Excellency, I have the honor and privilege to present to you this tool from King. And another memorabilia to mark the king's visit. This was king in three-dimensional regalia. Yeah, it's my pleasure. Excellency, to be remiss on our part.
For your dear wife who came to visit.
If you do not,
this is not for anyone to see, but take it to.
Yeah. if you do not honor your better half on this visit, there's female equality all over, and that is why we came among the Queen Mothers. So this is for her, and it has been opened only by her, and not even by you, sir.
Therefore, that's for her. It's not for you.
Thank you very much. I will convey your sentiments. Thank you.
Thank you.
At this stage, we will let you relax in the morning, and we look forward to seeing you later in the day. Thank you again for coming.
Thank you.